Hi, mathletes. Are you ready to stretch your brain? Today's question comes from problem solving experience in mathematics. One afternoon, Julie was watching her bird feeder. She saw twice as many nuthatches as downy woodpeckers. The number of chickadees was one less than the number of nuthatches. There were 4 times as many cardinals as chickadees. Julie saw 12 cardinals. How many birds did she see in all? Whew, there's a lot of information in there. All right, give this a go. Pause the video, and when you're ready, resume, and we'll see what you got. Welcome back. Okay, how did you do? Well, let's see if you used a similar strategy that I did. I decided to work backwards. Okay, so first of all, let's see what we know. We know that Julie saw 12 cardinals, so we know that there's 12 cardinals in all. We also know that there were 4 times as many cardinals as chickadees, which means that there were more cardinals than chickadees. A matter of fact, 4 times as many. So let's do the opposite and let's divide the number of cardinals by 4, and that gives us the number of chickadees. So there's 3 chickadees. Now that we know that, it says the number of chickadees was 1 less than the number of nuthatches. So if there was 1 less chickadee than nuthatches, again, we'll do the opposite. Let's add 1 to the chickadees, and that'll give us the number of nuthatches, which is 4. Lastly, she saw twice as many nuthatches as downy woodpeckers. So that means she saw more nuthatches than woodpeckers, twice as many. So again, we'll do the opposite, which is to divide. And 4 nuthatches divided by 2 gives us the 2 woodpeckers. So that gives us a total of 21 birds, the 2 woodpeckers, the 4 nuthatches, the 3 chickadees, and the 12 cardinals. So Julie saw 21 birds at her bird feeder. I hope you like that. Do you want to stretch your brain a little bit more? Well, here's our extension. It says, how many birds did Julie see if there were 20 cardinals? So here's the original question, but instead of saying she saw 12 cardinals, we'll change it to 20. Now let's use the same strategy. Again, you can pause the video here, give it a go, and when you're ready, just resume. Okay, was this a little bit easier since you did the first one? Hopefully. Okay, here's what we got. We're going to work backwards again. We know that there are now 20 cardinals. And again, same thing. If there's 4 times as many cardinals as chickadees, we'll take the number of cardinals, which is 20, and divide it by 4. So now there's 5 chickadees. We know that the chickadees were 1 less than the number of nuthatches. So we'll take our 5 chickadees and we'll add 1 to get 6 nuthatches. We know that there are twice as many nuthatches as downy woodpeckers. So we'll take our 6 nuthatches, we'll divide it by 2 and end up with 3 woodpeckers. So now we have 3 woodpeckers, 6 nuthatches, 5 chickadees, and 20 cardinals. So 34 birds. So this time Julie saw 34 birds in her bird feeder. I hope that you enjoyed this problem. And remember, if it felt a little bit tricky, that just meant that your brain grew. Again, if you liked the video, please click the like button. Feel free to leave a comment. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you as always for watching.